Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Complete, the spirit of coding. Today in this video, I will show you how to blur background of an image, very efficiently and quickly, so let's get started. First, import a file you want to work on. To do this, choose File in menu bar. Select Place Embedded. As the pop-up window opens, navigate to the folder, and locate your image, and then click on Place button. At the top of the screen, click the check mark. The image is now placed on the artboard. Open Layer Panel, which is at the right side of the artboard. If you did not find Layer Panel here, just go to Menu Bar, and choose Window, Layers, or press F7 on keyboard. After importing an image, a new layer of the image is created in Layers panel. This layer is a smart object. See there in Layer panel the layer have a small icon on bottom corner of it. This small icon indicates this layer is a smart object. Convert it into rasterized layer. Select the layer, then right-click on the smart object in the Layers panel, and choose Rasterize Layer. Create a duplicate layer of this layer. To create a duplicate layer, click and drag the layer in the Layers panel. Then drop it on top of Create a New Layer button. In the Layers panel, a new duplicate layer is created. Now select Upper Layer. Choose Select in menu bar, and then click on Subject, to automatically select the subject in the image. Or we can say, automatically select the girl in the image. As we can see, the subject selection is not 100% accurate. Let's fine-tune the selection. Select the Quick Selection tool in Toolbar and fine-tune the selection like this. After fine-tune the selection, create Layer Mask. Select a layer in the Layers panel, click the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. A white layer mask thumbnail appears on the selected layer, showing everything on the selected layer. To load the selection of our subject, go to Layers panel, press and hold Ctrl key and click on Layer Mask, so again the subject is selected. Next we will modify the selection. Make sure the layer mask is selected, go to menu bar and click on Select. Choose Modify and click on Contract. Pop-up window opens, so here we will contract the selection by not more than 2 pixels. Click on OK button. Now we will soften the selection. For that, choose Select in menu bar, click on Modify and select Feather. Here I am giving 1 pixel to feather radius. Click on OK button. After softening the selection, we will select the background. For that, go to menu bar. Click on Select and choose Inverse. The background is selected. Now select the bottom layer of an image. Go to menu bar and choose Filter. select Blur, and click on Lens Blur. Pop-up window opens. Set the value of radius to 25. You can modify its value according to you, means how much you want to blur the background. Leave other options as it is. Click on OK button. Background of an image is blurred successfully. To deselect entire selection, press Ctrl D. It's done. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any query, ask in comment section below. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and for latest updates subscribe to my channel. Thank you.